How to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp iOS. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp iOS. First, open your WhatsApp. From here, go to the chat you want to check. Now, if you send a message, you will see there are two check marks beside the text. And when the other person sees it, the tick marks will turn blue. If you see these signs, then you'll know you're not blocked from this account. Also, if you go to the profile, you'll get to see the last seen and other details here. Now, in order to show you guys, I'll ask this account to block me. Now, I'll go back and refresh my WhatsApp. After that, if I open my WhatsApp and go to the contact, as you can see, there's only one tick mark beside the text. This shows that the texts are not being delivered. Also, you won't be able to see the last seen of this contact. If I try to make calls to this account, they won't go through. Now if I go back and try to see the stories from this account, this is what happens. The stories will not load. So that is how you know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp iOS. Please like, share, and comment. Hope you got some value and see you in the next video.